Section 1. What is ISO 13485? ISO 13485 is a big deal in the world of medical devices. It's not just a guideline, it's a comprehensive framework that ensures the highest quality in the production of medical devices. It's a standard, a set of rules for companies that make things like pacemakers, artificial joints, and surgical instruments. These rules are meticulously designed to cover every aspect of the manufacturing process. These rules are all about quality. They ensure that every step, from the initial design to the final product, adheres to strict quality control measures. They make sure that medical devices are safe and effective for the people who need them. This means that patients can trust that the devices they rely on will perform as expected. Think of it like a recipe. Just as a recipe provides detailed instructions to create a delicious dish, ISO 13485 provides detailed guidelines to create reliable medical devices. Just like a recipe tells you exactly what to do to bake a cake, ISO 13485 tells companies how to make medical devices the right way. It ensures consistency and precision in every product. It covers everything from design and development to production, and even what happens after the device is sold. This includes post-market surveillance and customer feedback, ensuring continuous improvement. This standard is used all over the world. It's recognized internationally, which means that a device made in one country can be trusted in another. It's a way to make sure that no matter where a medical device comes from, it meets the same high standards. This global acceptance helps in maintaining uniformity and quality. So, when you see that a company is ISO 13485 certified, you know they're serious about quality. This certification is a mark of excellence and commitment to safety. It's all about keeping people safe. The ultimate goal is to protect patients and ensure their well-being. And that's something we can all get behind. Quality and safety in medical devices benefit everyone, making our communities healthier and safer. Section 2, the story of ISO 13485. Like all good things, ISO 13485 has a history. It wasn't built in a day. It all started back in the 1990s. The world needed a way to make sure medical devices were safe and effective. The International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, stepped up. They created the first version of ISO 13485. It was a good start, but things change. Technology advances, new challenges arise. So ISO 13485 has been updated a few times since then. These updates make sure it stays relevant and keeps up with the ever-changing world of medical devices. Each update brings improvements and refinements. The latest version came out in 2016. It's the gold standard today. It reflects the latest thinking in quality management for medical devices, and it will continue to evolve as technology and innovation march on. Section 3. The core of ISO 13485. ISO 13485 is built around a few key ideas that are essential for ensuring the quality and safety of medical devices. These ideas are the foundation of the whole standard, providing a structured approach to quality management. First and foremost is the Quality Management System, or QMS, which is the backbone of ISO 13485. This is the heart of it all, ensuring that every process is controlled and managed effectively. QMS is a system a company uses to manage and control its processes, ensuring consistency and reliability. It's how they make sure they're doing things right, consistently, every single time. ISO 13485 outlines what needs to be in this system, detailing the specific requirements for a robust QMS. Management responsibility is another big one, emphasizing the role of leadership in maintaining quality. Top management has to be fully committed to quality, setting a clear vision and direction for the organization. They set the tone for the whole organization, ensuring that everyone understands the importance of quality. Resources are also crucial. Companies need the right people, equipment, and facilities to make safe and effective medical devices. This includes having skilled personnel, advanced machinery, and clean environments. Then there's product realization. This covers the entire life cycle of a medical device, from design and development to production and delivery, ensuring that each stage meets quality standards. And let's not forget about feedback, which is vital for continuous improvement. Companies need to listen to customers and use their feedback to make their products and processes better, fostering a culture of ongoing enhancement and customer satisfaction. Section 4. Why ISO 13485 matters. So, Why should anyone care about ISO 13485? This certification is crucial for ensuring the highest standards in the medical device industry. Well, for starters, it's all about safety. Safety is paramount when it comes to medical devices. Medical devices are used to diagnose, treat, and even sustain life. They play a critical role in healthcare. They need to be safe and effective. Ensuring their reliability can mean the difference between life and death. But it's not just about safety, it's also about quality and consistency in manufacturing. ISO 13485 also helps companies save money. By adhering to these standards, companies can streamline their operations. By improving their processes and reducing errors, they can save time, materials, and resources. This efficiency translates to cost savings, and when companies save money, it can mean lower costs for everyone. This can make healthcare more affordable. Having ISO 13485 certification can open doors for companies. It signifies a commitment to quality. It's a mark of quality that is recognized worldwide. This global recognition can enhance a company's reputation. It can give them a competitive edge. Companies with this certification are often preferred by clients and partners, and it can make it easier to do business internationally. Compliance with ISO 13485 can simplify regulatory approvals in different countries. In the end, ISO 13485 is about trust. Trust in the safety and effectiveness of medical devices. It's about knowing that a medical device has been made with care and attention to detail. This meticulousness ensures high standards. It's about having confidence in the products that are used to improve our health and well-being. This confidence is essential for both patients and healthcare providers. Section 5, the journey to certification. Getting ISO 13485 certified is, well, a journey. It takes time, effort, and a commitment to quality. But the rewards are worth it. The first step is to understand the standard. Companies need to know what's required of them. Then, they need to implement a QMS that meets those requirements. This means documenting their processes, training their employees, and putting systems in place to ensure quality. Once they're confident that their QMS is up to par, they can apply for certification. An independent auditor will come in and assess their system. They'll check to see if it meets the requirements of ISO 13485. If everything is in order, the company will be recommended for certification. But the journey doesn't end there. Certification is just the beginning. Companies need to maintain their QMS and undergo regular audits to keep their certification. Section 6. ISO 13485 in action. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. Medtronic is a global leader in medical technology. They make everything from pacemakers to insulin pumps. They've been ISO 13485 certified for years. It's helped them ensure the quality and safety of their products. Then there's Johnson & Johnson. They're another giant in the healthcare industry. They make a wide range of medical devices from surgical instruments to contact lenses. ISO 13485 has helped them streamline their processes and improve their efficiency. But it's not just big companies that benefit from ISO 13485. Smaller companies, like startups developing innovative new medical devices, also find value in the standard. It provides a framework for them to build a robust QMS from the ground up. These are just a few examples of the many companies around the world that are reaping the benefits of ISO 13485. Section 7. Never stop improving. One of the key principles of ISO 13485 is continuous improvement. It's not enough to just meet the requirements of the standard and then rest on your laurels. The world is constantly changing. Technology is advancing. Customer needs are evolving. Companies need to continuously improve their processes and products to stay ahead of the curve. They need to be proactive in identifying areas where they can do better, and they need to be committed to making those improvements. This means regularly reviewing their QMS, analyzing data, and gathering feedback from customers and employees. It's about creating a culture of continuous improvement where everyone is empowered to identify and implement improvements. Section 8. Tips for success. Implementing ISO 13485 can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few practical tips to help organizations on their journey to certification. First, Get buy-in from the top. Management commitment is crucial for success. Next, document everything. Having clear, concise documentation is essential for a robust QMS. Train your employees. Make sure everyone understands the requirements of the standard and their role in maintaining quality. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many resources available, including consultants and training courses. And finally, remember that implementing ISO 13485 is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to do it right. But the rewards are worth it. By following these tips, organizations can set themselves up for success and reap the many benefits of ISO 13485 certification.